So hey, what's up mga Kokote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Quadernos, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na ang subscribe, like, and share button para mag-keep updated ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Quadernos, at ang bagong lesson natin for today is causes of all about Earth. So mali pala yung tingin ko, so this is all about Earth. So ayan. So, meron muna tayong trivia for today. Only 2 national flags have the color purple on them. So, mostly, ang nakikita ko nga is red, blue, white, green. So, yan. Those 2 countries are Dominica, which uses purples in its flag's central image of Cicero parrot, and Nicaragua, which includes a purple stripe in a rainbow that's featured on the national coat of arms at the center of the flag. So, mostly talaga, the mga flags na nakikita ko is merong red, blue, or white. So, yan. Or, may yellow, ganyan, green, pero meron ng 2 countries na gumagamit ng purple color. So, purple color is a very, one of my favorite colors na gusto kong, may magamit akong ganung bagay. So, only 2 national, that is Dominica and Nicaragua. So, yan ang ating trivia for today. So, dito na tayo sa ating lesson proper. So, Earth is a terrestrial planet. This means that, like other inner planets, it has an internal structure of rock materials composed of different materials. So, sa atin, di ba sa Earth, so marami tayong materials na makikita dito. So, syempre, sagana nga tayo sa mga minerals, sa mga likas na yaman. Syempre, meron tayong mga structures like rock materials composed ng mga different materials. Inside Earth, radioactive elements generate heat energy we call geothermal energy. So when we say radioactive elements, it is used to generate heat, and it is called geothermal energy. We see evidence of this in volcanoes and geysers. So syempre pag sinabi natin vulkan tsaka mga geysers, syempre mainit 'yon. So, when we say geothermal energy, it is a current na syempre medyo mainit-init talaga. So, mas mainit pa sa boiling point ng water natin na 100 degrees Celsius. Although the deep interior of Earth cannot really be reached for actual study, its composition and structure are inferred from waves generated by earthquakes. It is formed from these waves that geologists have known that Earth is one of the homogeneous mass, but that it is composed of different layers of different composition and density. So, syempre, hindi na ba natin mapupuntahan yung deep interior ng Earth natin? So, syempre, sobrang lalim naman nun. So, meron nga tayong 3 layers, diba? The crust, mantle, and core. So, nandun lang tayo sa crust, guys. Hindi natin, syempre, maaabot yung pinaka-deepest interior Earth natin. So, syempre, na-measure yan ng mga geologists natin sa mga earthquakes, sa mga wave, yung mga yan, magnitude, ganyan. So, ayan. So, sinasabi nila na ang ating Earth is one of homogeneous mass because and composed of different layers of different composition and density. So, ito yung interior ng Earth natin. So, wide natin. So, meron tayong continental crust. So, may ma-recall kayong ganyan. Oceanic crust, upper mantle, partially molten asthenosphere, solid asthenosphere, mantle transition, the lower mantle, and the outer molten core, and the inner solid core. So, syempre, ito, 5 kilometers, 100 kilometers, and this one is the lithosphere. So, palayo na siya ng palayo. So, dito syempre sa inner solid core. So, syempre, hindi na natin mapupuntahan yan dahil sa sobrang light, sobrang lalim talaga. So, dito lang tayo sa continental crust and oceanic crust. So, ayan. So, nandiyan yung lithosphere natin. So, ayan yung ating interior of the Earth. Ayong mag-next. So, external structure or panlabas. Earth seen on the outside has 3 distinct parts, namely lithosphere, the hydrosphere, and the atmosphere. Always remember that 3. So, 3 distinct parts ng ating Earth is lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Seismologists, scientists who study earthquakes, always remember that, iba-iba yan, scientists, geologists, seismologists, chemists, so mga ganyan, iba-iba pa yan. So, consider the crust and the top of the mantle as the lithosphere. So, yan, yung kanina nga, yan, lithosphere. So, yung continental on oceanic crust, nandiyan yung lithosphere. And, upper part of the mantle. So, yan, uppermost mantle. So, yan, hanggang dyan. So, yung seismologists, sabi nila na kinoconsider nila na part ng lithosphere ang crust and the top part of mantle. So, syempre, yung three distinct parts, namely lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. So, this is the lithosphere, the hydrosphere, and atmosphere. So, this three is biosphere, lithosphere, the earth, hydrosphere is water, and the atmosphere is air. So, always remember the difference of the three. When we say lithosphere, it's the earth. When we say hydro, yung word itself na hydro, it's from water. And atmosphere, it's air. So, this is the biosphere. Yung tatlong yan. Pinagsamang tatlo. The hydrosphere refers to all waters on or near Earth's surface. Most of the hydrosphere is salt water from oceans and seas. So, mostly, ang hydrosphere natin is ang tubig alat. So, yan. Earth's four oceans are Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian, and the Arctic Ocean. So, always remember the four oceans. Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian, and the Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the deepest and largest, covering almost one-half of the Earth's surface. So, the deepest and the largest, ang pinakamalalim at pinakamalaking ocean natin ay ang Pacific Ocean. Always remember that. And it's always mentioned. So, yan. Pacific Ocean, always remember that. Yung four oceans natin, the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, and Arctic. Mostly, nababanggit to nung grade 4 kami sa aming. Anong tawag doon? Civic at Kultura. May napapag-aralan kaming ganito eh. Basta nababanggit siya. Yung mga prime meridian, yung mga Hilaga, Timog, so mga dyan. Nababanggit yan. Yung mga Atlantic, ganyan. The atmosphere is the great blanket of gases that surrounds Earth. It is a mixture of gases and arranged in concentric layers. So, ang internal structure natin, or yung panloob ng Earth, solid Earth contains 3 layers, namely the crust, mantle, and the core. So, syempre, kanina dito sa ating external, 3 distinct parts yung nakikita natin. Lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere. Sa ating internal structure naman, makikita yung crust, mantle, and the core. So, thank you. Have a great day, and God bless. So, that's our lesson for today. So, click the thumbs up button if you like this video, and leave a comment down below if you have suggestions, clarifications, and suggestions. So, thank you. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.